on Auto Trader. What's a good car, Dan?
I told you, the Jaguar.
Oh.
Right, up to you. I thought it was I like
It's got an Audi.
Audi. I can't think of any Audi that's any use at all.
What's your idea of a good car?
My idea of a good car is one that's not in my garden. My idea of a good car is one that's not here. I can't do this.
No.
I don't know how to do this. Like, look, when I trained my apprenticeship was on Datsun 120Ys, so I don't really know what I'm doing.
Oh, cool.
I'm sure there's a Honda mechanic out there going, he's doing it all wrong. I feel like I'm doing it wrong, but I couldn't put that pad in the other side.
I've got a Nissan Juke.
Oh no, then you'd be going about bloody Nissan cash cow next, won't you?
Nah, I don't want a cash car.
Do you want a cash cow?
Nah, no, we definitely don't want
Why, are they worse than this thing?
No, I just don't want one.
Do you like Nissan cash cows?
No.
I thought you looked like a Nissan cash cow type girl.
But isn't this Christina Caselda?
Who?
2017 Fiat 500X, 2017 plate, I think I just said that.
You did?
It's got 107,000 miles on it, 1.6, diesel, one owner.
Reason for sale, buying a Honda.
Nah.
Nope. What
The
was
only problem is,
that's what?
£5,789.
How much?
£5,789.
No car in this world that's worth that sort of money.
Alright then, what about this one? Oh no. What make is a good car, would you say? Like what that's good, cheap to fix, but like a good car to run?
What, that lasts for a long time and does good mileage? Got 6 gears.
61, that's 11, isn't it?
Okay.
The Kia Sportage, 2000, that's 2000.
I know someone's got one out for sale.
Who?
A diesel Kia Sportage.
Who?
A Kia Diarrhea.
Yeah, he hasn't.
You know him.
He hasn't got a Kia Sportage.
Yes, that's a Kia Diarrhea.
Note.
Oh, what's the difference? It's all the same, isn't it?
No,
They're all singing to the same tune.
the Sportage is a little SUV.
They're all singing to the same tune.
5,400.
What is?
The Kia Sportage. What about like a Renault? Renault rubbish?
Yeah, I don't like Reynolds.
You don't like Renault?
I never like Reynolds, no. I mean, look, don't get me wrong, right? I don't mind Renault 5 turbos. That's my video, just my viewers will know.
Okay.
But I'm not a great lover of Reynolds, as in,
Right, we're talking
I'm not a Renault person for the sake of a Renault, that way.
Right, we're talking about, like, here.
Alright,
A Dacia,
oh,
Fiat, a Hyundai, a Kia, a Mazda, a Mitsubishi, Nissan, Peugeot, Renault, Skoda, Suzuki.
are you talking about a Dacia Duster?
Yeah, I think it might be a Duster.
Or a Dacia Sandero?
Yeah, they are Dacia Dusters.
Dacia.
Are they rubbish?
I think it's in the title.
Damn.
It's in the name.
Peugeot?
Dacia.
Peugeot? Peugeot's quite cheap.
They're,
Are they?
I mean, they are. That is. The only Peugeot that's any good is a 504 Cabrio. I've got one of those, but...
Skoda's normally pretty good, but I don't really like them that much.
Skoda?
Skoda, yeah, because they're like basically
Well, they're owned by
Volkswagen,
Volkswagen.
aren't they?
They're owned by
Go
Volkswagen.
figure, there is actually no Volkswagen. There is actually, I need to change my filters.
What you're saying?
Volkswagen. A Volkswagen.
Grieben. Give it to me, baby.
Tiguan, 2014. It's got 106,000 miles.
What's with all this Tiguan rubbish?
£5,795.
There's another one in there that keeps on about Tiguans.
Who?
Who's that?
Sounds like a diesel.
Who is it?
Sounds like a diesel.
Well, it sounds like T-Spirit. Who is it?
don't know, it sounds like a diesel.
Yeah, well, I don't like strange people. Who might it be? Arriving at the shed edge. It's my van.
Oh, is someone leaving?
It's my bloody van.
Yeah.
Right, guys. Tiffany, are you ready to finish the final job?
No, because that's down to me.
And it comes
That's down to you.
to the final countdown.
eBay or Auto Trader.
Is there any difference?
Well, where do you find cheaper cars?
You need to go. You know where you need to see.
I know, I've already messaged him.
You need to phone the moose.
I've already messaged him and said, got any good cars? Cheaps.
Yeah. And then Hannah said no. Now, can I say something? Can't you just be happy with the car you've got and realise that one day you will realise that your father did these brakes for you. Now you've seen how I've done it, you'll be able to sort the other side yourself, won't you? Or was that just a dream? Did you check this car over before you decided to MOT it?
No, that's why I had you.
Right, Tiffany.
Yeah.
I want to say something to you.
What about a tool rag?
No, the engine's...
So Tiguan, yes, tool rag, no.
No, the oil pump has driven off a chain off the camshaft and the chain snaps and destroys the engine. I mean, do you really want a car like that? Oh, you had one?
What, that was the goal?
No, the one we don't talk about.
What?
You had one.
That was the Saab?
Yeah, and it had a cam chain. Remember we fixed it?
No.
What did you? No, she says no. No, says the girl from Del Monte.
Mate, I don't really understand what, look, there's one here that's 2 grand. And no 8 plate, but...
That is a shame.
What?
Well, in reality, those pads were not that bad. But there was something not right at the back of that disc.
Basically what you're trying to say is that now
Well, no, I've wound it back.
I'm going to change it and it's probably going to have the same problem.
I hope not. I hope not, don't we? Do we hope not, viewers?
Absolutely hope not.
Tiffany, let me just say, always look on the bright
But
side
do you know what?
of
I've
life.
always had this
What? I love.
pessimistic father who always looks on the...
What about, listen, you say about cars and I say,
Yeah, but I ask your opinion.
you say
Every
tomato,
car,
I say
every
tomato.
single car that I've ever come to you with, you've never ever said to me, yeah, that's a decent car.
You know when I looked at the
But
cars.
I tell you what, if I didn't have a Honda Civic and I had a Volkswagen and said that I wanted to buy a Honda, you'd tell me that Hondas were crap.
No, that's not
You
true.
would, you really
Guys,
would.
listen,
You really would.
the proof is in how long she's had this car. And really, I mean, obviously, if she'd had an older car, say like a proper car, classic like me, you probably wouldn't be worried about the brakes because when you do the brakes on a classic, they last for 50 years. My Range Rover is still on the original pads. Yeah, and in those days, they made the brake discs so thick, right, they're made out of proper steel. Right, they're made out of 3/4 inch plate left over from Tiger tanks in World War II.
Look, out.
No, look, I've had to do this and I didn't. What do you do for me? Seriously, like think about it. I mean, all right, maybe the roof. I will think about the roof.
What did I ever do for you?
Yeah, except cost me money.
I've never cost you any money.
I beg to differ on that one, don't we, guys?
I think you're on cringe about this, but...
I know, but I need to think that I've just done this out of all my love, and it hurts. It hurts. I've had to do it.
Well, I mean, you're not at all. When I asked you for a car, you give me no help.
That's because you always choose stupid bloody cars.
No, I don't. I didn't choose this. If Moose comes
You've
to me...
curbed this.
No, I haven't.
That's curbing, isn't it? Was this wheel on the front?
Probably.
That's got a massive curve where it's rubbed against the curve. Now, I don't know anybody who rubs against curves. Do you? Look, do you believe that face? Look. I just said somebody curved the car, and look at the face. You curved it, didn't you? You've curved the bloody car.
I don't know!
You curved it!
Look, Dad, I drive the car a lot. I can't tell you if I curved it. I might have, like, reversed and hit a curb. No, not hit a curb badly. I might have reversed and obviously rubbed the curb. Does he have to